It's springtime and usually people are spring cleaning, organizing, getting things into order, and I always at this time go through my cupboards, get rid of all things I haven't gone off, and things that are just somewhere stuck behind and I've forgotten about them. Just a good time to go through all the stuff in the cupboard. So right now I have got this not very messy, but a little messy spice setup. I'm going to empty this all out and rearrange. Separating all the spices in here, and all the baking stuff is in here, all the colors, all the flavors. So I'm going to get everything out and get rid of all the plastic and replace it with glass jars. And here they all are. Next job is to give them a good rinse, clean, and then once they completely dry, I'm going to start filling these up. A lot of you have asked what are kind of the spices I have in the cupboard, and God, I have so many, and that's just to do with mostly Indian food or baking, but I have quite a few, and I thought while I'm getting the kitchen a good clean, I am going to show you the spices in the cupboard and kind of some of the ingredients I have. I've got carom seeds, white poppy seeds, amchur or mango powder, which is lovely. Just a mild curry powder, sometimes I use for chicken salad, tandoori masala, just some chili flakes, and degi mirch, which is a milder chili powder. Also have some black salt masala, which is made by my mum. Some pomegranate seed powder, of course the cardamom, ground cardamom, some Turkish peppers, bay leaves, and molten salt. Then the fennel seeds, some Indian bay leaves. Now this would have 3 veins in the leaf, whereas the normal bay leaves is just going to be like a normal leaf. And there is mace, which is part of the nutmeg, some coriander seeds, love coriander seeds, cardamom, green cardamom, some star anise, chili flakes, poppy seeds, the lovely black cardamom, some black salt, which is great on fruits in the summer, some black cumin, some cardamom seeds, anise seeds, some fenugreek seeds, and black pepper. And then whole nutmeg, some palm sugar, which I don't use that much, some cassia bark, saffron, cloves, cardamom, and ground cumin, which I love using. Now all the spices are organized. They're all, I've tried to put them in alphabetical order. Some food colorings, and of course there are all the flavors for the cakes, all the baking stuff, and some more spices at the bottom shelf. And the most important spices are in this box, which are always sitting next to the hob. So here is the dabba. It's got the basic salt, chili powder, garam masala, which my mom has made, then cumin seed and ground coriander powder, mustard seeds, and of course the vibrant turmeric powder. So here is my spice box masala dabba. The lentils. Look out for my lentil video, which I will be sharing very soon. These two are fennel mixes, which are just to be had after dinner. They taste really wonderful. Here's a little selection of the sugar shelf I have. So I've got caster sugar, golden caster sugar, some dark brown muscovado which tastes delicious, some light brown, some coconut sugar which again is amazing, some light brown soft which I love to use in cakes, some dark brown, and some cane sugar which I actually don't use very often. And lots more ingredients like some desiccated coconut, lots more cardamom, walnuts, some more coconuts, some ground almonds, and I've got some sesame seeds and semolina, some popcorn for some caramel popcorn treat, a bit of gur, and then kinds of flowers as well. And then there is peanuts, red chilies, some oats for making granola. Here are all my cookbooks and some of the magazines where I've contributed maybe a recipe or two, and I like to have it in some sort of color coordinated. Some of the beautiful indoor plants I like to collect, and of course there are my books here as well. Some of the cake tins, some big platters, plates, some of the bowls, more cake tins, and the mixers. Hope you have enjoyed a little peek into the spices and some of the ingredients I have in the kitchen. I'm going to do a video with all the lentils, the kind of lentils very soon. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss a video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment. Bye.